The venture capital ecosystem is currently experiencing an absolute meltdown in the best way possible, fueled almost entirely by the relentless explosion of artificial intelligence technologies. We are seeing a historic acceleration in the creation of billion-dollar companies, commonly known as unicorns, being minted seemingly every single week. Based on deeply verified data pulled from Crunchbase and PitchBook, nearly 90 new venture-backed startups have crossed that massive $1 billion valuation threshold so far in 2026. While it is completely unsurprising that the vast majority of these newly crowned unicorns are deeply entrenched in the artificial intelligence sector, there is a fascinating cross-section of companies breaking through in heavy industries, hardcore medical research, and even a slight resurgence in the crypto space. Take a look at a company like Mainfunk, just secured a massive $485 million Series B round, pushing their total valuation to a staggering $2.6 billion just for building an AI-optimized workspace environment. Or consider the sheer scale of Recursive, a dedicated AI research lab that locked down $650 million in a round led by GV and Greycroft, launching them to an eye-watering $4.65 billion valuation. It is not just pure software either. We are seeing massive capital flow into hardware and infrastructure designed explicitly to support the crushing compute demands of these new models. For instance, Nextstop AI raised $500 million specifically to build advanced Ethernet networking hardware strictly for AI data centers, putting them at a $4.2 billion valuation. And then you have Cowboy Space, securing over $300 million to literally try and build a power grid in outer space just to generate enough energy to keep Earth's artificial intelligence servers running. It sounds like pure science fiction. Money is very real. We are also seeing a massive influx of capital into highly specialized autonomous systems. A company called Bedrock Robotics just pulled in $270 million to automate heavy construction equipment, valuing them at $1.8 billion. Even the defense sector is getting aggressively funded, with companies like True Anomaly raising $650 million for space defense manufacturing. What is incredibly telling about this current wave of mega funding is that investors are not just throwing money at vague consumer apps anymore. They are writing massive checks for foundational infrastructure, highly specialized medical diagnostics like Stipple Bio for cancer drug discovery, and platforms that dramatically increase the efficiency of human developers. As people who spend a lot of time engineering complex workflows and automating massive systems, watching this specific infrastructure get funded means the foundational tools we use are about to get exponentially more powerful and terrifyingly efficient over the next few months.